In this video, we're going to tackle how to associate your custom object in Hubspot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Hubspot dashboard, and in there you can see this gear icon. Proceed to click onto this in order to open your settings directly onto your Hubspot. Now once you're there, this will load your settings. For this case, you can see this sidebar, so scroll down onto this part. And in here you can find objects. Make sure to expand it right here. And once you have expanded it, scroll down and locate the custom objects option. So here it is right here. So proceed to click on this. Once you have clicked on this, you must first create a custom object. Do take note that this particular option is only available on the upgraded UI right here. So you need to upgrade your plan or start a 14-day trial for the Service Hub Professional option. Once you have it added, you can just change the object settings that you can find directly on the Association tab and then define the relationship that needs to be added. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.